Now from a Mealy model S0, that is nothing but 0 0, whenever the input is 0, it is going to S0 itself, so it will be S0 and output is 0. For input is 1, so for input is going to S1, that is nothing but 0 1, output is 0. For S1 state, if x is 0, it is going to S0, that is 0 0, output is 0, and if input is 1, it is going to S2, S2 is 1 0, output is still 0. For S2 state, if I am getting input as 0, it is moving to S0 and the output is 1 here. And the last, if for S2, if the input is 1, it is remaining in S2, that is 1 0, and the output is 0. Okay, so this is how I got the table. Okay, and excitation table will find it out. But for this don't care state 1 1, input can be anything, that is nothing but a don't care. So I'll put all don't care here, input don't care. So next state will be I will don't caring it, output is also don't care, flip-flop excitation is also don't care. Okay, now flip-flop excitation I'll be using JK flip-flop. So let me mention here, the flip-flops will be JA, KA and JB, KB. So these are the flip-flops I'm going to use here. Now depending upon the present state and the next state, for the JK flip-flop, I'll write down the truth table for this one. A plus, that is nothing but present state, and A plus 0 0. So I'll be getting here 0 don't care. So here it is 0 don't care. Similarly again 0 0 0 don't care, 0 0 0 don't care. For 0 1, it is 1 don't care. After that don't care 1 and don't care 0. Similarly you can fill up the table for JB KB flip-flop, that is nothing but next present state of B and next state of B. Once again 0 0, so it will be 0 don't care. Likewise, so this is nothing but the complete truth table or the state synthesis table for the Mealy model for the pattern 0 1 1. Okay, and for implementing this I need to solve the K maps for Y, JA, KA, JB, KB. So after that we'll be getting the exact equations. So the exact equations are, after solving the K map, you will get JA will be equal to X into A, while KA will be equal to X bar, JB equals to X B bar, KB will be equal to VCC or the logic 1. Okay, and finally the output Y is equal to X bar into B. So with the help of these equations we need to solve out we have to make the Mealy model. So let us make the Mealy model here. Okay, so here are the two flip-flops which are synchronously arranged with the clock. Okay, so clock is connected here simultaneously, and I have to implement these equations that we have got in the earlier session with the truth table. So implementing these ones, so JA is equal to XA bar, so basically X into A, sorry, so we have an input X here, so input X is present, so X and A, that is nothing but the QA, so I'll be requiring one AND gate. So for this AND gate I'll put here having an input X and A, so this is X and A, that is nothing but the QA. For KA it is X bar, so input X is available here, X, and here I'll be getting X bar. So this X bar is connected to KA, so simply it is connected to X bar, whereas JB is X into B bar, so I'll be requiring AND gate once again, X into B bar, so it is X into B bar to JB. KB is connected to logic 1 or the VCC, so simply I'll connect here plus VCC. Okay, and JB KB is over. Y, the final output Y, Y is nothing but the AND gate will be requiring, so there is AND gate. Okay, to which the input is X bar into B, So this is x bar into b, that is nothing but qb. This is qb bar x. Okay, so that's all about the sequence detector using Mealy model. The sequence 011 is detected from left to right. Okay, and that's all about the sequence detector or the pattern detector. And for more videos, stay tuned to In 5 Minutes, and thank you for watching.